could save between 20 to 60% if you bring your Porsche here for service. So right now, as you can see, we do a lot of Porsches here. A lot. That's our bread and butter, right? So we're the best shop that I think of, I'm being biased, for alternative for a dealership. You could save between 20 to 60% if you bring your Porsche here for service and any kind of repairs. And we treat you like family because this is it right here. Your car doesn't go into a black hole or to a service writer, to another advisor, to another place, to another spot, and you never see your car again until they call you and say it's going to cost you $1,800 for an oil change. As you can see, we can start from here. We have this 997 turbo that's getting a lot of work done that we're taking care of because of the knocking nose that we talked about earlier. Then this 991 is getting a transmission service done. This Cayman is getting a full service for brake fluid flush and oil change. The Turbo S mods, the 996 with the Aero Kit, which is a beautiful car to me. We stored it here, but we did racing seats. We did the full short shifter, lowered the car, and we did a bunch of service work on it. So yeah, bring your car to us. We'll take care of you.